When asked to work a project, it can be daunting to work with an open slate, free range, full trust, an unbridled opportunity to make a statement. Out of chaos and time came inspiration. Who can say what was bad about the original table, but it was clear it needed help. The tabletop, a laminate particle board, was crumbling and worn. Age had not suited the big box store furniture well. Both in design and function, it was fraught, but after 3 years of iteration, innovation, and introspection, I am proud to present the product of not just everything a coffee table should be, but rather everything it had to be for my cousin, Mandy. Using quarter sawn oak as an outer frame and center, along with a combination of quality walnut and cherry hardwoods, they create a perfect harmony between these premium woods. The 6/4 inch thickness provides resounding support, featuring perfectly plain premium-only boards cut to the tightest tolerances and joined using the finest floating mortise and tenon methods available. This panel is crafted from the finest materials for a timeless existence here on Earth. As above, so below, this table showcases the timelessness of our skies. Using the original framework, a reimagined lower panel infuses technology using fiber optics into an otherwise overlooked and undervalued space. Featuring several of the constellations in the night sky, these lights are discreetly located under a healthy pour of epoxy resin, nested against a stunning backdrop glistening from charcoal black pigment infused into the base layer of stark black paint. This lower panel provides a window seemingly into another world. Finished using Rubio Monaco chocolate hard wax and buffed with Miniwax Special Dark, the tabletop is both durable and water resistant, as well as low maintenance. Fiber optics for this table are contained discreetly and hidden out of view, with power being supplied from a power block mounted on the upper panel of the table. The power block provides a convenient source of electricity via one of the 6 outlets or 4 Type A USB ports powered from a single cable. Every element on this table has been finished, refinished, refined, and reformed to ensure maximum durability and integrity. I am proud to present to you Constellations.